Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, I've got a call to yeah, yeah, yeah. Watching a boss coming to present for Jamaica worst game at 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. You don't know.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica? Let's give me here with another reaction. Ooh. Today we're back again with another Bazza. Yeah, man. Bazza, roll back the clock. Yes, official music video that this time. So the first one, F-Palm, maybe they enjoy that one so much. So I have to forward back here. So for a video, yes, we really want a video. Yes, I felt like you guys deserve a video from Bazza. So I could jump in the one and see what Bazza did it now. Bazza, roll back the clock. Let's go.
You never know.
Blow him, big up. Let's deal with it. Big up myself.
Who feels it knows it, no knows it. Are the best one for tell it.
Sure. Who feels it knows it, who knows it, the best one for tell it. Sure.
Enough time in the earth, man could have dropped. Be things man go through when me roll back the clock. Me one me left one robbery about 2 o'clock. Police them spot me and them fire bag a shot.
Buckler, them go up and robbery about 2 o'clock in the night and fuck go on. Police them spot him and a fire 1 bag of shot. Roll back the time. That the J do, you know. I reminisce on the past life and know say yo, him happy to be alive. Him happy for day. Him happy for day. Yeah. And most of we can roll back the clock and reminisce on some things that we got through in our life. Who knows it? Tell one to tell it. But strap up like a seatbelt. Yeah.
Enough time in the earth, man could have dropped. Be things man go through when me roll back the clock. Me one me left one robbery about 2 o'clock. Police them spot me and them fire bag a shot. Chop it to a chop it and make sure someone gonna drop in the morning. That a curfew that a drop.
Class, I must have to drop it to have to take it to a choppy. For those of you who live up to and who don't know what a choppy is like a one of them like a shortcut door there where you can it can get there in a mainly there in a fence. You can bust a woman, bust one choppy for reach our next yard, bust all one next choppy, bring you over our next avenue. Yeah, as such the choppy them working I get to forget her from the police them. So him say after him bust the choppy and get to it, the next morning, what? Curfew, the man them dropping that place. I look for him.
I make sure someone gonna drop in the morning. That a curfew, that a drop. Me alone steps and nobody no left for chat all. Now me I wonder how me no pick up a shot.
Man say him alone left so nobody no left for chat. Yeah, cause some of them boy you can't hold mouth. Them a leak like a fridge. Yeah, them a leak like a bumbuckler ice truck. Yeah, they can't hold mouth. So him gonna do it by himself.
Me alone
can not help on
himself. No
himself.
left for chat all. Now me I wonder how me no pick up a shot. I did up with them, did a guide man. Well, living on my ring for my right hand. Try work, never work, but style man. Have to go out there, go look it where I can.
Man say, yo, I did up with them, did a guide him, and I'm gathering. I did up with them, did a guide him, but that's him I tell you.
I did up with them, did a guide man. Well, living on my ring for my right hand. Try work, never work, but style man. I wanna you see me as no icon.
So, him must have tried to do the right before. Him try to do the right. To get the right result, that never make it. Him say him try to work and it never work. Boss fire him, you see me? So right now, him out to do the wrong thing to get the right result. Yes.
Try work, never work.
That's him I do. Okay? Him a feel so. What him say? What him say what about? He must, yo, so even though him a go, he did fuckery, or him a do fuckery, him no wanna youth see him as the icon. Him no wanna youth follow them footstep. Yeah, because you don't know, say, once you them see them thing, them feel say them thing there, and I glorify them thing, that them I go take it up on them all. Him no want that.
Try work, never work, but style man. I wanna you see me
as the icon.
Enough of my friend, them down a boneyard, them full, them a pack up a life, them a stone dog. Never know, say, I saw the life I hard. Should I listen to mama and just standing in my yard. Money not have no use, dog, when you can't spend it. I'm hungry, you can't give her a penny.
Alright, money now no use when you can't spend it for real. Money now no use when you're dead, 6'6", or in a prison. You can't spend your money where you gonna make. You see me? Yeah, mama hungry and you can't even buy her a food.
Money now have no use, dog, when you can't spend it. I'm hungry, you can't give her a penny. Christmas you can't make your youth them merry. And next man probably gone with your girl penny. I did up with them, did a guide.
You hear that? When you're dead or gone, and next man go there with your girl. Christmas come, you can't hear you them nothing.
I did up with them, did a guide man. Well, living on my ring for my right hand. never work by style, man. I wanna you see me as no icon. You can't hurry, I feel live on the move. I feel navigate through with the light from the moon. Can't fussy, I feel know for turn the bush in your room. But when rain fall at that time, they are doomed.
Yeah.
I told me smart, make me there, so I talk.
Man, yo, you have to, more time, you have to live that rough life there. You have to can turn the bush in your room. You have to sleep in a bush like a bumbuckler goat. Yes.
But when rain fall at that time, they are doomed.
When rain fall in a bush, a problem.
So I talk, never jump, never eye jokes, no cross my path. But learn from me young, outfit on my heart.
You hear what I'm saying? Where I go? Him never drunk. Him not take drugs. Him not take alcohol, brother. So, and a rum talk or coke talk, him make a real talk, him make right there. So, him know.
Never jump, never eye jokes, no cross my path. But learn from me young, outfit on my heart. You know, want do it, a life that really dark. I did up with them, did a guide, man. Well, living on my ring, pa my right hand. Try work, never work, but style, man. Have to go, they go look it where I can. I did up with them, did a guide, man. Well, living on my ring, pa my right hand. Try work, never work, but style, man. I wanna you'd see me as no icon. I did up with them, did a guide, man. Well, living on my ring, pa my right hand. Try work, never work, but style, man. Have to go, they go look it where I can. I did up with them, did a guide, man. Well, living on my ring, pa my right hand. Try work, never work, but style, man. I wanna you'd see me as no icon.
Bad. Yeah. That one is solid. Yeah, me like this, me like it. And the fact say, I tell the youth them say, the fact say, him tell you say, him no want the youth them see him as an icon, cause I don't know nothing to glorify. Yes, I want to take up that life there. You have to stay in that life there, no. You have to stay in it. You can't take it up and do fuck you and feel say fuck you and go follow you. It go follow you. So you are gonna live fast and die young in another life. They more than likely, you see me, are they a prison for a long time. So yeah, youth not take up the life there. Yeah, don't follow Bazza to your bumbo lad. You see me? Yes, that's him I tell you, don't follow him. You see me? Yeah. Me like it though, me like it. Yeah. Solid track. What you guys think about it though? Like me say, a link I go left in the comment section. So for the people who love some conscious music and them thing then can relate and can turn back the hands of time and you see me? And can reminisce on some of them fuckery what them doing in them life. Them not proud of it, but them know say yo, it make them become the person who they are today. In a good way. Represent for the one man. Just go click on the link man and go show him some love and tell him say I'm missing over there. You see me? Like me say, comment section has been active, but say yo Bazza T. Alright, then so we're there now with Bazza T. See me? So we're gonna get 2 Bazza T today. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section and I'll catch you guys down there, man. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm an advice of the real artist because I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.